What is happening, guys? Everything Smart Trade Coin here. Today, I wanted to show you guys the power of the Smart Trade Coin platform. Honestly, if you are not using this platform right now, I don't know what else you'd be using, because in the past 3 months, about 3 months ago, I deposited $100 worth of Bitcoin, right? And just to show you where that investment has got into now, I'm gonna scroll down. So before we even get to these robots here and what they mean, I'm going to show you my balance, right? So remember, guys, this has been 3 months and I haven't lifted a finger. All I've done is put in my money, I've accessed one of the robots, and I've let the robots do the work for me. So now what I want to show you is my gains, right? So if we scroll down here, all the way here, as you can see, my total value in Bitcoin is now $199.30. A few hours ago, this value was about probably $210 or $205. Regardless, what I want to show you is that is 100% return on investment in the past 3 months without me lifting a finger. I haven't done anything. All I've done is I've just put in my money, put in Bitcoins, and access the robots. Now, some of you might say, oh yeah, Bitcoin has gone up in the past couple days or the past couple weeks. Granted, Bitcoin has been on a run, but what I want to show you is before Bitcoin coming to this point of 18,000, remember, Bitcoin hasn't seen these numbers in the past, I think 2 years now. Forgive me, I'm quite new myself to crypto, so I'm not even too sure, but literally Bitcoin hasn't been this high in a long time. So if you were holding Bitcoin, if you bought at the high of maybe 17 or even 20,000 and you've been sitting through that drawdown, the power of this platform, Smart Trade Coin, is you can use this to your advantage. Look at this robot, for example. If you had been using this robot in the past 398 days, you would have had a return of 95%, guys. So even if you're sat in a drawdown waiting for Bitcoin to get back to the price that you got in at, guess what? You could have been making money. You could have been increasing your Bitcoin holding. So now, by the time it gets back to where you got in at first, guess what? You've doubled your holdings, right? Which means double your profits, right? So even when price gets back to break even, you're now up in profits. Right, so you would no longer be at break even. You would now be in profits, if that makes any sense. But anyway, so have a look at this, guys. So obviously, what I'll do is I'll refresh the history. As you can see, I can only do this for 90 days, right? But this was way below here, so it was at 1%. And look at this, guys. Look at this equity curve. Nice and smooth. What you're not seeing is any sharp drawdowns. The biggest drawdown we've had was from 6% all the way down to 3%, 3.12%. 3% drawdown to get 21% profit. That is nothing, guys. And I kid you not, this 3% is maintained even throughout, all the way up to when you get 95%. So in order for you to get a 95%, the most drawdown you would have seen is about 3. The most I've seen going through the bot history, which is here, is about 4-5%. This is the power of this platform, guys. Look at these earnings, daily earnings. And granted, you're going to get losses. That's just part of trading. That's a part of investing. You're going to get losses. If anyone tells you that you can't get losses, they're lying to you, because I've never seen any trader, any great trader, without any losses. So have a look at this, guys. You can come onto this platform, and mind you, it's free. It's free to use. Here are the packages, right? So if you've got $100, no more than $100, you can use this. You can try this for free. For free, guys. I know people that pay for Netflix, for a Netflix account. I know people that pay for McDonald's burger, right? Unhealthy food. We're not even going to get into that. But there's a lot of people that pay money for so many things. But how many of those things are bringing you in money? Have a look at this platform. You can deposit $100 worth of Bitcoin and you can start making money today without even you knowing anything, without you having to lift up a finger. You can come in every day in, day out, as much as you please, and you could check how your investment is doing, guys. But this is for free. But if you want to scale up, if you've got $2,000 worth of Bitcoin that you are willing to risk, that would cost you about $9.99. That is the price of an average fast food meal, right? And you would be making about 8% return every month. Do the maths. I mean, 10% of $2,000 is $200. So it's anywhere around $180 you would be making every month, right? For the price of only $9.99. But what you guys have to take into consideration is that income that you're getting, right, is an increase on your holdings. So if you've got Bitcoin, if you've got Ethereum, whatever profits you're getting from this is is basically adding to your holdings, right? So when you finally get that spike in whatever cryptocurrency that you're holding, be it Bitcoin or Ethereum, that adds to your profit long term. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm up 21.32%, which should be about $21. But because Bitcoin went up in the past 2-3 weeks, Bitcoin has been on a crazy run, I'm actually up 100%, guys, 100% in 3 months. Please just try out this platform. Like I said, it's free of charge. You could come, you can sign. In fact, they even have a demo. You can come in if you don't have $100 to trade and you just want to test it out. You can access the demo platform and get started today. Listen, not all of us have $1 million. Not everyone has $50,000, but this is a good start. This is how you can scale up. I'm up 100% in the past 3 months. I don't know what else to tell you. I don't know where else you can go and you can find these kind of gains, right? And obviously, with this package, the gold package, this is for those serious traders, those serious Bitcoin cryptocurrency investors, sorry. And if you've got $100 that you could pay monthly, with this package, you can access more cryptocurrency. So we're talking about all the cryptocurrencies you could think of other than Bitcoin and Ethereum. This gives you access to that. So what this comes with is a premium software that you can have on your laptop. You can even download it on your phone. You can have the app, right? And you can track and you can access multiple robots, right? So with this one, there's unlimited amount of robots that you can access, right? Over here, sorry, I don't know why I'm highlighting this one, but over here, basically it gives you unlimited access. So if we click here, you can see there are several robots, right? These are the top performing robots, guys. And if you're techie and you've got some coding knowledge, guess what? You can actually build your own robot, right? So you could take from some of these strategies and alter them. You can actually code them and make them your own. But for me, I'm not that smart, right? I'm not that smart. I don't have that much time. I just want to put my money in and get my money working for me, right? Because we know that's how the wealthy people do it. That's passive income, right? You make your money work for you. So this platform gives you that. I'm going off on a long one. I'm going off on a tandem, but I just wanted to show you the power of this platform. Honestly, guys, the platform is free. If you have a social media account, if you've got a Facebook account, an Instagram account, there's no reason why you shouldn't have a financial trading account that makes you money free of charge. I've got nothing else to say. On that note, I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.